Hi my friend, hope you are doing great. I'm Setareh and I'm back here with another cool video. In this video, I prepared for you the full tutorial of Namjoon portrait face drawing. Yes, if you are an army, please reach me to the end of this video. And if you don't subscribe to our channel, now subscribe and hit the bell below so you can always be the first one who see our video and enjoy. If you are ready, let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip the switch.
If you want to support a young artist, tap to the buy me a coffee and be the first one to support me. Thank you so much, guys.
The personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Same us for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.